Hello, Leslie here with a Plan With Me in my dashboard planner that I use as my health and fitness planner. So we're going to go ahead and jump right in. I'm going to be using pieces and bits of the Plannersisterstickers sticker kit. This kit is made for an Erin Condren, but I really liked it and I wanted to go ahead and use it. So I feel like the colors are good for going from summer to fall with some of those fall tones, but still having like happy little rainbows. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this sticker right here and cover up the Monday through Sunday, even though it's for Monday through Sunday, which is also fine. So we're going to put that one there. And then I do want to have a habit tracker for vitamins. So I think I put that down last time I put it down like over here, which I think worked out well for me. So I'm going to put that there. And then as far as changing up what that says, I think I'm going to grab these little quarter boxes and change what it says, because I put over here, I put zone minutes, which a lot of people have been asking me what zone minutes are. So zone minutes are when your heart rate gets into the zone of like fat burning. So zone minutes. Okay, and then I just track those. So I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Which last week I only wrote down Monday and Tuesday, so I need to go look at my Fitbit and see what it says, because I didn't do that. All right, and then the next one, under to buy, I take that out, which I feel like you can kind of see the letters behind it. So I'm going to take my pen and kind of swirl those out and see if I can get that to not bleed through. And then we'll do the same down here too. I'm just afraid it's going to show through. Do I have my... Let's just use that. I'm not having to color too much and wait for it to dry. Take these out because I don't use those. I don't use it. And I don't use focus either. I do focus, just not with that box. I promise. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put this one here then. This is, oh, actually I want a half box for that section. I want to use, let's use the orange. Use the orange one. The orange one here. And this one is my health tip box. And then over here is my reflection. So I'm going to put that in this like a grayish blue. It's mostly gray. Now that I see it next to this, I'm like, it's gray. But I was seeing like blue tones in it before. So yeah, no. Okay, and then we have this one up here, which I don't need all of those boxes at all. I only do 3 goals a week. So this is goals, meaning stuff I need to like focus on. Goals. And then let's see, this one's my reflection. Every time I say reflection, I always think of Mulan. Okay, and then this is health tip, which comes from the app usually, unless I hear of something that I'm like, hey, I want to write that down. I did write down my health tip of last week. I did. I have not written my reflection because I kind of like to look at everything and how it's written, and then I go from there. Okay, this is steps. So how many steps I took each day. Can't write down today's, obviously, because today's not done. And then that kind of sets that up. I didn't get any exercise in today. Sleep score was really bad, so hopefully I can work on improving my sleep score for the rest of this week. So maybe that'll be one of my number 1 goals is sleep score. Improve sleep score. And then I have been trying to drink water today, so I think water drinking is going to be my other goal this week. Water drinking. Hopefully we do that. And then I still want to keep 3 exercises a week. Last week I only did 2 exercises. Or workouts, I guess. Whatever. It doesn't matter. That part doesn't matter to me. It just doesn't. Okay, so then here, using this stuff, maybe not so much. I could use some today's, but I might not. And then I think I don't need that one. I do like this right here, the like scene. So I thought I might use that. I thought we would use that down here. It says kind people are my kind of people. I like that, so I'm not going to cover it up. Gotta be kind. Okay. All right, we'll put this one down here. Ooh, this kind of fits all together. I did not grab a quote sticker, so you know I need one of those. You know I do. All right, and then as far as, I like this art one. That's cute too. And then the planner clip one is cute. Gotta use that one. Definitely have to use that one. But I think I'm going to put a quote sticker over here. There's a quote down here though, so it's not completely empty. But I really like this one. We're going to put this over here. I kind of like having boxes like on the edge here because they're not taking up too much room. I can still definitely write in something for the day. So that's not a problem. And then I do like, what's the other one? I really want to make sure I used. Can't remember if it was the plant one or the tote bag one. I like the art one too. Let's use the tote bag. Kind of like the tote bag. Okay, we're going to put this one, kind of stagger it a little bit. Put this one over here. Looks somewhat centered. I'm not positive. Not even positive. There is some deco here, which I thought we would also incorporate a little bit of here and there. There's like empty pots. Those are funny. Okay, but you guys know I love the paper clips. Those are definitely going to join us. All right, for the quote sticker, should we pick something from the Color Story 4? Or go back to my tried and true watercolor and other color story? I think this color tone is going to be a hard one to match for any of these sticker books, unless I just go with like something that's black and white, like get a little better every day. That's a good one. Solid quote in my book. What does that one say? Put your heart into it. Not a lot of hearts. Not a lot of hearts in there. What about these ones? The best is yet to come. Think happy, be happy. Ooh, I like those. I like the best is yet to come. I think the get a little better every day is kind of big. I think the best is yet to come is kind of going to be my thing. I think I like that one. Okay, let's grab this one. And then maybe a cute other full box that I can kind of stick it on. The best is yet to come. Like I'm going to paint it. I don't know. I like it. Okay, so this is going to go further out over here, I think. And then put this one across like that. And then maybe add some more paintbrushes across here and there. And then maybe a little rainbow paper clip. Please don't tear. I really like you. There we go. Good job. Me talking to my stickers. Don't lie. You know you talk to your stickers too. You know you do. All right. So that is perfect for that. I like that you've got this. And maybe that you can do it. Like that you can do it. Okay. We're going to put that in that box for zone minutes. And then we're going to put the, you've got this on Friday. Oop, up here. There's no lines really in it too much. I like that one. Okay, as far as the weekend goes and what I want to like decorate with that, we already put the tote bag on there. We didn't do too much of the pillows. We could stack some pillows. Stack some pillows here. Okay, and then I do like the bows. But you guys know I'm probably going to try to get all of these paper clips on here. You already know. Okay, put that one on there. And then I think I kind of want to do a little bit of this. A little bit. Here, we'll go this way. These little spots remind me of like the intro to 101 Dalmatians, like the animated. Oh, totally cut that the wrong direction. Who was talking and cutting at the same time? This girl. Okay, I guess we're going to keep it that way. We're just going to keep it that way. Because I messed up and I'm just going to own it. So if I cut it again, then it won't be at all how I want it to be. There. I was thinking totally doing the other direction. And I cut it wrong. Completely wrong. But that's okay. Okay, so I ended up using watercolor sticker book. That's always good. All right, and then we can grab some more of these half boxes and put them in. So Monday, I don't know what my positive thing is going to be. I try to like stay positive in what I put in my spreads. I'm going to try to use all of these. But you know, there are times where you're just like, this is something I need to work on, and maybe I need it to be front and center. I'm going to stagger that on there. Put this one up here too, on top of that one. And then this one's going to be down here. I'm liking all the half boxes. I might half box the whole thing. Just get a little carried away. Okay, we need a red one or a gray one there. We'll put a gray one down here. Then we'll do red on this side. And then we have another yellow over here. I'm liking the half boxes. We'll do this one over here. Okay. And then if I want to add more quote stickers, I can if I want to. All right, and then it says workout time. I like that. I like that. Exercises, and then I don't think there's anything other fitnessy. There's a weight, but I mean, sometimes I march around with my weight. I march around my house is what I end up doing. I don't think anything else really applies. I don't think so. Okay, so I think that's how it's going to look. Ooh, maybe we should put hydrate stickers down because I said my focus is going to be hydration. Why not? Why not? I'm not trying to match colors right now. That's not happening. We'll just put it next to our boxes or near them. It's fine. Okay, we are going to focus on hydration with our little mason jars, which is adorable. Is there an extra one? Did I miss a day? There's an extra one. Man, that totally threw me off. Good job. All right, so I didn't use the checklist. That doesn't really fit in this spread for me. So I didn't. That's just how that goes. So there's those. I do end up with a little bit of extra full boxes and such. And then I didn't use the glitter headers or the other double full box. There was like a bigger scene too, but I didn't want it too high. So I like just the couch one. So, and then I kind of incorporated the pillows over here to make everything match and look cute. As far as what clips would go with this particular spread, I'm actually going to go with like some more like fall kind of clips. So I like the oranges and the yellows in the mum here. So I think I'm going to put that one down. And then I think I'm going to grab the, the sunflower, because I just like sunflowers. So the clips are from my shop on Etsy, in case you're new to my channel, in case you're new. And then as far as any other clips that I have near me, ooh, this one was a freebie. One was a sunflower clip freebie. So freebies come with every order, in case you didn't know. This week is a little cute bat freebie. So there you go. That is my spread. Let me just pop it into my planner. You guys are going to see my unfinished spread from last week. It's fine. I'm a real planner girl, and sometimes I don't get it all filled out like I planned. That's okay too. Okay. But I mean, I already knew that I didn't exercise 3 times. Oh, I went through Wednesday. I did write everything through Wednesday. Yeah. So, you know, that's how that went. I didn't completely fill it out, but I do like how colorful that one is. Because it was interesting going from like a black and white spread to like completely colorful to like more neutral tones. I'm like having a lot of fun with my variety in this planner. So I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not subscribed already. If you are, thank you so much for supporting the channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!